All right, Maximus Analysis here for 3:45 early video for May 28th. And you see it's been pretty much a quiet day. They need to hold above that 2112 area. Okay, they held it, came in close intraday, and then pretty much just rolled it back up. Again, this area is key, 2112, and hold above. And we'll see what happens. Again, it was a very, very quiet day. So again, you don't short a quiet day, but we just wanted to see if those levels will hold. Again, NQ looking fine right here. Again, no follow through, but again, it could happen tomorrow. Again, it still hasn't gotten above highs, so again, we have to see where we're going to go from here. IWM, same thing, still have not. Sell signal still intact. Volume has dropped off, so they do not want to break up the previous low, or could mean some lower highs to come. The Dow, same thing, pretty much very small inside day, two of them going on right now, very low movement for the day. So again, you want them to hold above this 8,000 area for sure. Crude had pretty much a run up to the close. Again, I was watching this all day, and ran up to the close, something really, again, came and ran up into the close, which it closed around 230. So again, it is what it is, and they're still breaking down. But then you see that it's in a confirmed downtrend. They need to hold below that 60 area, but they cannot break that 57 area and close below it, or we have lower prices to come for sure. Apple. We see that Apple's pretty much just sideways right now, and again, it's been sideways since February, but you have to say that the higher lows are in place. But again, we do not want to see, again, this sell signal continue back below this low a couple days ago. You had Priceline, setting up, again, it's just in this sideways consolidation as well. You had Google really didn't do much today, and you do not want it to break below these lows. And you can see the volume was anemic, so they needed to hold, because if they break below this low in the 550, they could flush it down a little bit more. Amazon, again, they're just holding this one sideways. You see the volume has dried up a lot since the gap up, but no reason to short right here, right now. Netflix, pretty much the same thing, and again, this would not be something, no matter how weak it looks, you would want to short. Okay, let's look and see what we got with bonds. Bonds are still up. Again, I want to see if it continues up and goes from there. From this pivot low, they need to hold this pivot. And you have the dollar, which ran up really, really high 2 days ago. And again, we want to see how that one plays out, because if they continue to roll this dollar up, that crude and also this oil, this gold is going to have it's going to have some problems holding these key levels. So again, you see it was basically grinding. If they give a pivot and stay below this 20, they could definitely continue to the downside. So we really want to see, again, inactivity does not mean that you short stuff that's in an uptrend. Netflix, excuse me, Netflix, Amazon, you definitely want to stay away from. But as far as Tesla, Tesla had a good day. Again, if it breaks above 254, which I have as some type of resistance, you could then see it, and then if it layers above that 254, it will come and take out these September highs. So we'll see how this one plays out and go from there. But again, we'll see what happens tomorrow, because I don't know which way they're going to look to break this thing. They might break it down, they might break it up, but either way, they're going to break something and break it hard in regards to the movement. So we'll see who they want to crush, the puts or the weekly calls for this shortened week. All right, let's see how it goes. And again, they need to get above this 2150 to really get some excitement. The target would, if they break above, would actually, if I see 2150 and 2160, we'll see how that one goes. But again, let's see how this one plays out, because we waited so long for it to come out into this crap, and right now we're still in the thick of it. So let's see how it goes, and you don't have to keep your powder dry, and let's see what happens for tomorrow. Take care.